First, we need a cardboard for the floor. Use a rectangular piece of cardboard to make the second floor. Add colorful paper sheets that you can buy at a bookstore. I add another middle floor to open an additional selling area. Use white paper to frame the edges of the house. Wow, the room looks beautiful. We will make the kitchen first. It is placed in the corner of the room. We cover the outside of the cardboard with clay to make it visually appealing. Then, we use the same clay to make the microwave. Buttons for the microwave. Use black mixed with a bit of white to create the kitchen counter. And wrap it around the board. And there you have the kitchen cabinet almost finished. Continue using green clay to make the stove. Doesn't it look real? I just got a mold with various flower patterns. Take brown for the flower petals and yellow stamens. Now cut off the excess. Attach the stems and put them in the vase. Add a jar of spicy pepper. I use a bottle cap as a sink. You can reuse used bottle caps and create many interesting things. Use a straw as the faucet and to foam buttons for hot and cold. Now, use foam board to assemble the pieces I've pre-cut into a 3-compartment cabinet. Use clay of the same color as the kitchen cabinet to create an additional shelf and add a fake handle as the cabinet door. The kitchen area is complete. Now, I will make a large refrigerator using cardboard and clay. Mold 2 long strips of green clay to serve as the handles of the refrigerator. The yellow carpet and cute white Hello Kitty shoes are ready. Do you want to cook in this kitchen? Let me know your thoughts under the video. The room next to me will be a bar counter with a variety of favorite drinks. Use cotton board to make a bar counter. transform a pink plate into a comfortable chair. With patterns from the fondant, add some ribbon to make the chair look glamorous. I have 2 chairs for my bar counter. Artwork will be the focal point to bring vibrancy to the room. Colorful straws and a refreshing coconut ice cream float.
Little Miss Owner, paint this anchor for me.
Okay.
Yellow color looks beautiful. Thank you, Little Miss Owner.
To go upstairs, you need a rainbow staircase. I'm still using cotton cardboard. Wrap it with a layer of red foam. Red, yellow, green, blue, purple.
You're quite late. I have to walk. I'm tired. Let's go to the ball.
Welcome. What would you like to drink?
Give me a glass of cocktail. Give me a glass of fruit juice.
Hey, baby.
Hello.
You are very beautiful. May I get to know you?
Hello.
No. Oh,
Uh-oh.
The pink table with fox pearl trim. The table legs are intricately bent from steel. So cute, isn't it? The chair legs have been accurately designed by me, so now just need to assemble them together. Using a piece of blue striped fabric to make the relaxing seat part, 2 chairs are completed. An indispensable item is a rainbow umbrella for sun protection.
Why are you sitting here? I'm cold. My Hawaiian are gone. I just found a basket of clothes. I'll lend them to you. Thank you.
Surfing is a sport I enjoy at the beach. A rainbow-colored surfboard will make the beach more vibrant. Flip it back and cut away the excess. A small secret cave has been crafted by me beforehand. Oh, little friends go into the beach. Remember to stay close to adults and bring your floaties. I'll make a float using white clay with a touch of green. It's done! Yellow duck feet for the professional divers. The model of coconut trees and water balloons I prepared earlier. The beach looks beautiful with so many colors. Do you have any ideas for my beach? Comment below so I can create more creative products from recycled materials. Please subscribe to our channel to follow our stories. We love you all very much.